The Pachira tree, commonly known as the money tree plant or Guiana chestnut, grows naturally in tropical swamps or wetlands, reaching height of almost 60 feet when grown outdoors. When grown indoors, the pot should be rotated frequently for the foliage to grow evenly. Here is a complete care guide on how to care for a money tree plant. Sunlight. It is a durable plant and adapts to different growing conditions, usually preferring bright indirect light, as direct sunlight causes leaf burn. Water. Watering should be done once a week. Water deeply in a well-drained pot and let the water flow out from the drainage holes. It is not recommended to use pots with water reservoirs, as this is a plant that does not like to be waterlogged. Humidity. It prefers lots of humidity with daily misting. High humidity levels should be maintained all the time, particularly in winter, so it is recommended to invest in a humidifier. Temperature. While it can withstand temperatures as low as 40 degrees Fahrenheit without adverse effects, it is better not to let the temperature drop below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Leaves may drop off if it gets too cold, sprouting back when the spring returns. Overall, money tree plants thrive in temperatures in between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Soil. It is recommended to fertilize the plant once a month during the summer with a dissolvable fertilizer. It doesn't require feeding in winter as growth slows down. The plant can thrive in well-draining regular potting soil as well as being grown in water. Toxicity. The plant is mildly toxic to pets if eaten and might result in an upset stomach. Repotting. This is usually recommended to be done in spring once in 2 or 3 years. Make sure to use pots with large draining holes and line the bottom with rocks or gravel before adding the soil. Roots can be trimmed if necessary, but not too drastically. Propagation. While seeds can be used to propagate money trees, this is more difficult to accomplish if the seeds come from a houseplant. Money tree plants can be easily propagated from cuttings. Take a cutting, leaving 2 to 3 leaves at the tip. Plant it in a small-sized pot filled with soil. Water regularly as root formation will take a few weeks to set. Wait a few months to transfer into a bigger, well-drained pot. Another technique is to grow in a glass of water until roots start to appear, and then you can transplant into soil. Money tree plants can be pruned in spring if it grows too big for the pot or the plant becomes overgrown. When pruning, cut off the stems at a 40-degree angle close to a leaf, avoiding cutting off more than half of a stem, and remove dead leaves and branches. This will help promote new growth and keep the plant healthy. Additional care. Avoid moving the pot to different areas to prevent leaf drops. However, there is no need to worry as the plant will adapt. Common problems. Pests. Money tree plants can be attacked by pests like mealybugs. You can make your own insecticidal spray by combining 8 ounces of neem oil with half an ounce of dish liquid soap. This can be stored in a small bottle and set aside to be used several times. Combine 2 teaspoons of this liquid with 8 ounces of warm water in your spray bottle and spray the affected areas. Avoid spraying your plants if the temperature rises above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, as it might result of leaf burn if close to a window. Root rot. This is a common problem that affects money trees, particularly if they are overwatered. This can be remedied by carefully taking out the plant from the pot and thoroughly rinsing off the soil. Repot in a new pot with big drainage holes using a wool-draining potting mix. First, lining the pot with rocks or large stones. Follow the recommended watering schedule carefully to prevent this from recurring. Money tree plants are durable and can adapt to different growing conditions, usually preferring bright, indirect light, as direct sunlight can cause leaf burn. It's best to water once a week, allowing the soil to become dry before watering again. Since money tree plants are closely associated with Feng Shui principles, the placement inside your house can affect their capability to attract good luck. Keeping this in mind, the money tree also has to be in the best location for it to thrive. Locations determined by Feng Shui principles. The southeast part of the home or office is the money area. The plant placed here is supposed to bring prosperity. The east area of your home is known as the health area. Placing the plant here can bring wealth and health. This plant needs plenty of indirect sunlight and shouldn't be exposed to vents or frequently open doors, as this will cause leaf loss. Buying your own money tree isn't bad luck. You are buying it to bring you luck and prosperity, although it is considered to be good luck if someone gives it to you.